Hello, thanks for dropping in. I'll keep this as short as I can. I'm shooting outside, and I know there's lots of noise. There's cars and people and dogs and cats. Well, maybe not cats, but, you know, things happen, people go by. Anyway, what I have here is a box. And, indeed, this is an original box for an original 8K small keyboard with the data set built in Commodore PET computer. This is the box that they came from, and this is when Commodore was based in Palo Alto, California. The fellow who bought this way back when says that he got it in 1977, so it was very near the beginning of when these things happened. He might have got it earlier, except originally the PET did not have CSA, which is kind of like the UL in the United States approval yet. So until it had CSA, he wouldn't buy it. But anyway, eventually that got cleared, and so we got it. So this is the original box from 1977, which means it's coming up on 45 years old. It's not in bad shape for a box that's 45 years old. Certainly, is it pristine? No. Is the tape getting kind of aged? Yes. Down at the bottom corner, I guess some of the paper tape is indeed coming off, but the box is pretty good. It looks to me something in the vicinity of 24 by 24 by 24. I'm not sure. I haven't measured. But it is very rare to find a box such as this. It is. What's even rarer is to find the original 8K Chiclet keyboard PET inside the box like this, in the original shipping, packaging stuff. So I'm not saying this has never been opened, because it has been opened. He used it somewhat. It was last out of the box somewhere between 1995 and the year 2000, so he says. And it has been carefully packed away, and it has been sitting. I am very hopeful that it is indeed working. Do I know this for sure? No, I don't know this for sure. I don't know anything. I know I can look in and say, oh look, there's the thing in there, but I've not taken it out yet. And the packaging itself kind of looks like styrofoam wrapped in some kind of plastic. So, in other words, it's built for it, meant for it. It is the original packaging with the original PET in there. So this is video number 1 of the assessment of this original machine in its original box with its original packaging. Stay tuned. I'm not sure if I'm going to do it today, but at some point I am going to take this out and explore. I am. And I could do it outside, and I might do it outside. It has good lighting, sort of, and it's a lovely day here. It's actually Thanksgiving Monday in Canada, which I know Thanksgiving is celebrated at different times of the year in different countries. Anyway, and the wind is trying to blow my recording device over. So, I think what I'm going to do now is ponder what my next step is, and then do that, and then record some more, perhaps. So, hold your breath, hang in there. Perhaps soon we'll see what lurks within, and more importantly, does it work? I really want it to work. I mean, I didn't get this as something to tinker on. I really want it to work so I can mess with it. I do. Anyway, thank you very much for coming. Stay tuned. Undoubtedly, there will be more episodes as I explore the contents of this original vintage cardboard box. Coming to you from Commodore Business Machines, Inc., a Commodore International company. Palo Alto, California, 94304, made in USA. And yes, it contains, as it says, electronic equipment. Thank you very much for coming. Do stay tuned. Bye for now.